Okay, cool. So my guitar just arrived from Tommen. Only got a butter knife and a set of scissors here, so I hope that will be enough. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So as you can see, it's very beautiful. It's got this darkened red color to it, and it's got this gold-plated hardware. It's beautiful. It's got a Floyd Rose style bridge, some golden screws over here, dual humbucker pickups. It's got this white, I don't know, like line on the side of the fretboard, which is quite beautiful. And then here's the headstock. We've got, I don't know what you call that. I know it's the nut, but I don't know, locking nut or something like that. It's pretty cool. And yeah, it's just really awesome. It's very beautiful. And then included in the box was this guitar comic, which, I don't know, you can pause the video if you want and look at it. On the back of that, you've got a Tommen. Yeah, I can't read any of that. Are you 100% satisfied with your equipment? So it's just like a customer feedback thing. Then this was going over the pickups, quality service stuff. You've got a Harley Benton thingy. You've got a Rescue My Guitar stickers in case of emergency sticker. That's pretty cool. And then you get a bag with your monkey arm or your whammy bar, whatever you want to call it, 2 Allen keys and a guitar jack. So that's pretty cool. That's actually a very nice touch. The Allen keys and the jack. Very, very cool. I am very happy so far with this purchase. Let's just take another look at that.